Typically, the customer will come directly to us, or we'll have a salesperson come to us. They'll either have a drawing, they'll have a sample from the building itself, or they will have a sketch of what they want. We will work with the customer and try to figure out what their application is. We have over 25,000 dies, so we go through each of those to see if we have something existing first. If not, we design something new with them, and it's a back and forth conversation with the customer themselves. We don't just quote something right away. We actually work with the customer and come up with something that's feasible, efficient, and workable in their glass pockets or whatever application.